Hi Libra, welcome to your August 17th to 23rd reading. Please remember that this is a general reading, so this may not resonate with all of you. Take from it what you can and leave the rest for others. Also, the roles can be reversed, the energies can be reversed, and the timing is fluid. So, we'll begin by drawing a card for the overall energy for the week, and that is Page of Fire. Amazing, you guys. I just can't wait for the other cards to unfold. Show me clearly, show me clearly. That is for 17th. For 17th, we have the card of the Dreamer. Wow. Then 18th. Okay. Okay. 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd. Okay, this is a pretty significant spread here. So, Libras, first of all, talking about the overall energy for this week for you, I feel some new and exciting offers or endeavors are definitely happening. This is either new offers coming your way or somebody is thinking about doing that or presenting new things to you, but I don't feel they have still stepped in. But the energy is very strong, they can come in here. Some of you could be starting something new of your own, or you have felt this divine guidance to just take that leap of faith and do something new. I feel many of you have already done that. On the 17th, as you see this reading, or after that, I feel you have actually taken a significant step in a new direction, or something you've been thinking about a long time, but not have had the nerve to do so. But you're doing it now, in this week. So, beginning with 17th of August, we have the card of Dreamer here. And this is definitely talking about, wow, taking a leap of faith. Here's what I see into an unknown domain or something you've had in front of you, but you have not experimented or tried that. You're doing that now. You're following your dreams, Libra. Unexpected opportunities are arising here for you. Four of Pentacles, nice. Two of Pentacles, I feel that you have nurtured some thoughts and ideas and now you're taking chances, you're taking balance and, you're taking calculated risks here is what I see. Who, as I speak about calculated risks, we have the card of the Sun. And need I say that your calculated risks are paying off here, Libra. 17th is definitely looking good. With the Page of Cups, someone is already thinking about stepping into your life or helping you. Some new offers are also possible here. I feel emotionally you are very, very controlled and balanced here. Though you may be having some thoughts in your head, still you're able to take control of yourself. Amazing energies playing for 17th, Libra. Then we have the four of air for 18th of August. It's time to take a little rest. You've been working really hard. I feel mentally also you're a little tired, but this is not the kind of rest where I say that you're feeling lazy. You're just replenishing your energy levels, and you're going to go to the next day, and I'm going to tell you more about it. But I feel that you're going to either meditate, relax, and replenish yourself so that you're better prepared for the next opportunity. With the Nine of Pentacles, you have left some things behind for good, Libra, and I can gladly say that this is a good decision you made, because it's giving me so much wow. It's giving me so much positivity for the times to come. However, you are not very sure if you can actually leave some things behind and work on new path, new goals completely. And somewhere you still feel that you may still feel a little lost or indecisive whether staying true to the new path is good for you, or keeping both sides, the old things balanced with new, typical Libra things in your minds playing here. With the card of the Justice, I feel that, wow, Knight of Swords on Justice. I feel that don't judge yourself too much. I feel don't think too much. Don't be very analytical here. Go with that intuitive side of yours, Libra, because the Knight of Swords appearing here is just, it's not your energy. I feel it's the energy of your guides and your angels, which is pushing you to take these actions. And if you just act upon the inner guidance or this higher guidance, you are going to do so well. That's for 18th of August, Libra. So when you're meditating, you're beginning the day with meditation, you're definitely receiving more guidance about where you need to proceed. 19th, for 19th of August, we have 9 of Earth. You should enjoy yourself. Everything around you is a blessing, Libra. And I feel that you want to spend some time alone. Yeah. Wow, with the card of the Empress, you're able to do that, and you are birthing new ideas. I see. You are not stopping here. You're unstoppable, in fact. With the Queen of Pentacles. So, Queen of Pentacles is like the Empress of the minor arcana. So, you all have two powerful energies here, which is saying that something big is manifesting in your life here, Libra. You may have already heard the sounds in the past, but now you may hear it ring very loudly. If you had thoughts around, are your ideas working or abundance flowing or any kind of opportunity coming into your life, get rid of that. Six of Wands here. It is definitely coming, even though it may not give you immediate results. This is definitely for the better in the long run. However, use discretion when you are signing any papers, contracts, or interacting with people. 20th of August, we have 3 of Earth for you, Libra. Your sacral chakra is very active. Your heart chakra is very active on this day. I feel a lot of creativity flowing through you, and some kind of recognition is coming into your life. Powerful. You are being asked to be a team player or consider and acknowledge those around you. You need to actually thank your guides. This is a very, very blissful time for you, Libra. We have the Queen of Cups. You're rocking this week. You're rocking this week, Libra. The Queen of Cups, I am definitely feeling that you are not allowing your power or confidence to shake or waver. You still need to take care of your health, though. You're thinking too much, and a lot of this anxious energy may create a bit of a nervous strain on you. We have the card of the High Priestess. So I feel you need to go out and give yourself to a little. That means you need to show what you can do, not expect the results, because results are destined here for you and they are rewards actually. But first, they are hidden from you just in a manner. Maybe someone could be coming in trying to test you or give you a small project, or maybe try to take a, whatever you do, try to just get a taste of that, and later this may be coming in like a big thing in your life. That's the energy for 20th of August, Libra. But is meant for good. 21st of August, we have the energy of 7 of Fire. Okay. Be a little cautious with your temper. Don't cater to temper tantrums. My goodness. We have a Queen of Cups after shuffling again here. So on this day too, I feel that on this day you could be a little mentally charged and either talking too much or talking in a sporadic manner. Your words just flow out and sometimes you're just quiet. But you need to be careful. You still need to see, there is a difference between arguing and politely putting your foot forward so that others understand that you stand or you firmly believe in your beliefs. Here you are being asked to make create this, not cross this thin line. So you are being asked to choose your battles carefully. At the same time, you have to stand your ground, Libra. Stand up for what you believe in. We have a two, I don't believe this, Two of Swords here. So Two of Swords is saying that sometime you may be feeling a little shaky, but don't get influenced. This is a test. This is a test. We have a Six of Cups. You're sure to arrive at a good point, a decision here. So with the Six of Cups here on 21st, I feel that something that started on the previous day or previous days for you is definitely giving you good results here. Some opportunities, some contracts, someone coming into your life and actually talking about taking things forward may happen on this day, Libra. 21st is a very significant day for you. 22nd, we have the energy of Six of Air. Things are looking good here. I actually feel that a phase where you have been feeling stuck and things have not been going, this is moving. This thing is moving away from you. You're actually progressing. So your ship has started sailing on 22nd, Libra. For some of you, you could literally be thinking about or planning in your head about traveling. But if your external situation doesn't allow that, you could just be doing it as a thought process. There's a card of the Tower here. Give me more clarity, Spirit. I feel the card of the Tower means this is like take the leap of faith again to me. I feel this lady keeps popping up in your reading. I just put her back, but 3 days she's been coming out, 20th, 21st, and 22nd. So Queen of Cups is back here on your reading. And today I feel the position that she is here in is telling me that now you definitely know what you want to do, where you need to be. There's that 100% confidence in your heart, I see, Libra. So at first, where she was being asked to, stand her on her grounds, stand for her beliefs, then on the next day, on 21st, she was being asked to, believe in what she does, yet not become all fiery or hot-tempered or argumentative about it. And here she is on 22nd, where she knows what she stood for is what she's going to go out and work for or work with. So she's definitely a lady, or if you're a man, you have a lot of knowing inside your heart about what you need to do. Powerful transitions, oh my God. So 23rd of August, what do we have for Libra, Spirit? We have the Seven of Air and okay. I feel that everything you've made up your mind with regards to on the 22nd of August, Libra, I feel you need to hold back from taking immediate action on the 23rd, because here we have the card of Seven of Air and it says that, the time is not right, so don't put them into action, probably wait a little longer. And with the card of Justice followed by the card of Judgment here, I feel that, a wait is going to prove very, very worthwhile for you. I also feel you're being asked to wait because there is a certain preparation at the energetic level that has to be made for what you want to go out in the world and do, or what you want to start, or what you want to. Some of you could even be proposing to someone. So 23rd is not your day to do that. Just wait, because at the energetic level, some preparations are being made for you to do. And with the card of the Magician, you are definitely going to achieve this. But 23rd is not the day to go out and take that action. Okay. So any messages from the angels you have for my dear Libras? Please show me clearly. What messages do you have for Libras? We have victory for you. Oh my God. So Libras, lovely, lovely Libras, we have the card of victory here, and angels are saying your prayers have been heard and answered. Have faith. You guys have been praying so strongly in your heart for quite a while now. They have not gone in vain. So at the beginning of the reading, when I told you, you're taking a leap of faith, you're going forward. That's because you have been working on divine guidance here, Libra, and this divine side or these divine energies are definitely helping you achieve victory or get to the point of victory. Some amazing times ahead, Libra. I'm just so amazed with your reading. Thank you so much, Spirit. So guys, that's for you, Libras. If you like this reading, please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification icon. Also, do comment